When we talk about the best mansions, Kiambu as a county is the king. But we must agree in one thing, that they are the most expensive that you can see in the country, but not all of them. Today we are in Ruiru Mugudha, and this is among the cheaper ones. It is a 4-bedroom mansion with a print area of around 280 square meters, and it has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot of land. From there, you can see that we are getting a 4-car parking, a front yard on that side. The facade is very beautiful. You are getting a sliding gate, a perimeter wall, a laser wire, and an electric fence. All that for 18.5 million Kenya shillings. This is a set of 2 identical mansions, and they are exactly 900 meters from the tarmac and 6 minutes from Thika Superhighway. Before I take you inside, tell me what you think about these homes. And as you are typing that, I know most of you are already asking, Mongai Kihara, how are we supposed to afford 18.5 million Kenya shillings to purchase a home? There are 2 ways. First, if you are on the right side of the government, this is cheap stuff. You can afford way more than this. Second, if you are just a normal citizen, you can talk to the developer and they can give you a payment plan, which can be either cash, mortgage, or an installment plan. But for the installment, you have to be very fast in paying the installments. I'll take you inside. For 18.5 million Kenya shillings, this is a beautiful and a big living room. It has been done very well. I like the gypsum ceilings, and I like the way they are matching very well with the floors. The developer has worked very well on this focal point, and it would easily fit your 85-inch TV. I like it that the space in the living room will be able to fit a 9-seater couch all the way to a 10 or a 12-seater couch. Let's talk about the distribution of the lighting. As you can see, the living room comes with 3 big windows for maximum natural light. You are also getting a semi-transparent door to add on that, and in the night you have a center light, some side lights, some recess lights that are not lit, and you have some mood lights also, just to make sure that your night mood has been kept to the optimum. If there is something that makes me very happy, is how the living room is transitioning to the dining area. This space has been done very well, and it would fit your normal sized dining table. The fact that the developer added this cabinetry on this side makes it very easy for you to keep your drinks, or you can keep some crockery or cutlery just to make it easy for you to serve the food that will be eaten over here. On this end, you have a vanity and a big window on this other side. The only turn-off is that tall people are not welcome in this dining area. Otherwise, we will have to break all these lights. The dining area is opening to the kitchen, and I like the size of it. The fact that you have the pantry under the stairs makes this kitchen very usable. Next to the pantry, you have a space that has been reserved for your refrigerator. The distribution of the upper and lower cabinetry has been done very well. This is your cooking space, and on my far front, you have your washing space. This door is taking you to the laundry area, the clotheslines area, and the kitchen garden. Let's see that. For the people who must have a washer and dryer, this is where you are supposed to keep them. And for the people who like doing the gardening, this is where you wash your gumboots, your very dirty farming clothes, or you can also wash your pets over there. This home comes with a set of 2 tanks, and each has a capacity of 5,000 liters. One is here and the other one is on the roof deck. You are also getting a kitchen garden, and these are the poles for your clotheslines. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen, you have a small hallway that is supposed to take you to the guest bedroom and the common toilet. This staircase is supposed to take you to the upper level. The common washroom is here, and it has been done very well. I like the size of it, and I'm loving it that it comes with the sink outside. That makes it very easy for you to clean your hands when you are doing some cleaning of the house. Many mansions of this price range comes with tiny guest bedrooms, but this one is an exception. You are getting a sizable guest bedroom that comes with a mirror over here. The distribution of the closets have been done very well. You are getting a set of 3 drawers. This is the dresser, and the partitioning has been done perfectly. The guest bedroom gets a ton of light from that window. The bathroom to this guest bedroom is here, and it has been done very well with a wash basin at the entrance. You have a WC, and a shower cubicle is on that far end. Most bathrooms in this unit adopt a similar concept. I'll take you upstairs. On this level, we have the other 3 bedrooms, and this is where we tell you if you would want to sell your homes, make sure you check out our website africanrealestate.com, and the shorter version of this video will be found in our TikTok or our Instagram, African Real Estate. Let's see the first bedroom on this level. This bedroom is targeting your bigger kids. That's why it comes with a balcony, and it is slightly bigger to fit bigger beds for watoto wenye wamegrow. It comes with a closet over here done very well. I like it that the developer provided these shelves for the shoes. A mirror is becoming standard these days. You have a big window over there. That door is taking you to the balcony, and this is the bathroom to this bedroom. The bathroom is slightly bigger than the one that we found in the guest bedroom, though it comes with all the standard fixtures that you may require. This balcony is giving you the best views to the rear side of this unit, and I'm loving it that it would be big enough to fit a swing chair or a set of 2. From the first bedroom, we will see the primary bedroom, which is next to me, and later we will see the third bedroom on this level. This is where we tell you if you would want to purchase a unit, make sure you do a pre-purchase inspection with us, just to confirm that all documents are perfect and legal, and also to confirm the structural strengthness of the unit is to the optimum. This is the primary bedroom. It has been done very well. I love the size of it, and it comes with 2 windows for maximum natural light. It also gets a sliding door over here to access the balcony, which gives you the best views of this locality. The primary bedroom also comes with this cabinetry over here, and it has been done by the developer to make sure that all your shoes are in one place. This bedroom comes with a mini walk-in closet, which has a set of wardrobes on this side, and you have another set over here. The mini walk-in closet also comes with a mini dresser that has 3 doors, just to make sure it is easy for you to keep all your ornaments and your jewelries. This is the primary bathroom. It comes with a WC at the center. You have this side that has been reserved for your wash basin, and behind the door you have the biggest shower cubicle in this unit. The third bedroom on this level is massive. The only thing that it is missing is a balcony. If this bedroom had a balcony, it would have been my favorite because it faces the front side and you are getting a very good view to the front yard. The closet is over there, the window is floor to ceiling, and the bathroom is here. The bathroom is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we saw in this unit. The roof deck has a plinth area of around 100 square meters. It has been done very well, and I'm loving it that the floors are terrazzo. You are also getting an external toilet. A pergola is next to me, and it comes with a mini kitchen on that far end. This location is very developed, and the views of the neighborhood is breathtaking. I like it that the area is very green, and from here you'll enjoy your morning or your evening sun. We have come to the end of the video, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you'd want to see a similar unit, click up here. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.